Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to renew NordVPN subscription. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, when you go ahead and open up your NordVPN app or software, just go ahead over to the top right, click on your profile and click on account. And alternatively, you can just go ahead over to nordvpn.com and just log in with your account. And then just go ahead over to the account section and you'll be able to see this exact page as well. All right, again, account. Now, as you can see here I have my active subscription. I'm going to go ahead and click on manage subscription. A web browser will open just like this. So let's just go ahead and wait for it. And as you can see here, by default, auto renewal is turned on. So if your subscription is expiring soon and you don't mind paying the standard renewal price, well, you can just leave it as is, as this one is already turned on, again, by default. Now, if it says turned off right here, well, you can just go ahead and click on enable auto renewal. All right. Or there'll be an option right here. If it's already past the expiration date, renew. You'll have a button renew right here. Just click on it, follow the basic prompts. You just have to pay using the billing or payment method that is connected to your NordVPN account. That's how simple it is to renew NordVPN subscription. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.